I want the fire department.
We're done. Don't ask me to bring you back here again.
I'm sorry.
Come on.
I don't want to leave.
Everybody has to leave now, buddy.
May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire emergency reported in the building.
I'm going to come back
Well,
here.
then you better follow the rules right now. Come on.
Nope.
You'll never get to come back here again or any Panera ever again if you don't leave with me right now. Do you understand? Come on. Brayden, you don't have a choice. Everyone has to leave now. Everybody in the whole
I
place.
messed up.
Well, then let's go. Let's make it right. Get up and let's make it
I
right.
want an ambulance.
No ambulance is going to take you, buddy.
I want to go to the
No
hospital.
hospital that's going to take you. There's no
Please let me go to the hospital.
You have no medical condition. There's nothing a hospital can do.
Please
to
let
help you.
them.
I'm just letting you know right now.
It's not real.
He did it.
It's not real.
He pulled it.
Oh.
Let them take me.
Yeah. It's time to go. Okay? It's time to go. If you want to come back here again, you have to make it right, and making it right is getting up and going to the car right now. Okay? Do you want to be able to come out tomorrow? You know who's going to be coming tomorrow? Marvin and also what's his name? Brian. Do you want to go out tomorrow? Yes or no, buddy? Brian. Do you want to go out tomorrow? Nothing's coming, buddy. There's nothing coming. So let's go. Come on. I'm going to leave all your drinks here and we're going to leave without them if you don't follow me nicely and go to the car right now. You got to make it right.
No.
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire emergency reported in the building. Please leave the building by the nearest exit or exit the stairway. Do not use the elevator.
Okay, buddy. You want to make it right?
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please?
I was going to buy you a laminator and sheets, but I'm not going to anymore. I'm going to cancel it on Amazon.
No.
But then you have to leave if you want them. I'm not messing around.
I want to go to the hospital.
You have no medical condition. You don't need to go to a hospital. I'm also canceling the Amazon order right now.
Well, I want to go to the. I need to go.
You have no medical condition. There's nothing they can do to help you there. There's nothing that a hospital could help you with. But I'm just letting you know right now.
Until the ambulance takes me.
What?
Please leave the building by the nearest exit or exit the stairway.
Okay.
Do not use the
I'm
elevator.
canceling it right now. I'm going online. You want me to hit the button to say cancel order? Yes or no?
May I have your attention, please?
Do you want the lamination sheet or not, buddy?
There has been a fire
You need to stop recording right now. Okay, I'm leaving the drinks. I'm done.
I'm done. Yeah.
Come on.
I'm waiting until they.
Nobody's coming. Dad's not going to take you out tonight. I'm not going to take you out tomorrow. There's going to be no laminator and no laminating sheets. Do you understand that?
There has been a fire emergency reported in the building.
So you want to deal all of these consequences. You're willing to do all of these consequences just because you don't care. Is that right?
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? There has been a fire emergency reported in the building. Please leave the building by the nearest exit or exit stairway. Do not use the elevator.
Men's room!